Just Stop Oil protesters helped down from the QE2 bridge in Dartford by Essex police. They'd been up at a precarious height for 2 days, demanding an end to all new fossil fuel production in the UK and forcing the closure of the Dartford crossing and causing huge delays.
Do you feel sorry about that?
I'm not sorry for trying to protect the land. Suffragettes were widely hated by most of the population. And for decades, they did much more extreme acts of disobedience, destroying buildings, post boxes, blowing things up. Sometimes people hate the thing that needs to happen.
The bridge protest, just the latest in a string of incidents across London.
You allow this idiot, you allow this idiot.
Earlier in the day, there was anger when a group blocked the busy A4, an arterial route west of the city. Eventually, more than 20 protesters were unglued from the tarmac and arrested.
Whether blocking busy roads or climbing bridges, the protests across London have so far mainly been fairly typical of Just Stop Oil. That is designed to cause maximum disruption. But the group's tactics are escalating too, and they now seem interested not just in inconveniencing people, but shocking them as well.
This stunt at the National Gallery was designed to do just that. Van Gogh's Sunflowers painting was protected by glass, but the point was to generate outrage and attention. For this prominent climate scientist, it was too much.
For most people, they will only remember that activists have tried to vandalize one of the most famous paintings of Van Gogh. To some extent, I would say that such action is a little bit selfish and egotistic.
The government is trying to expand police powers against protesters, but it's unlikely to impact Just Stop Oil or their controversial methods. Hannah Thomas-Peter, Sky News.